In healthcare, water safety is paramount. One often overlooked risk are faucets with threadless spouts. Many times when there's a bacteria outbreak in a hospital, your first line of defense is going to be to install point-of-use filters. Point-of-use filters cannot be installed on a spout that has no threads. This is particularly critical when you're in high-risk areas such as NICU, ICU, oncology departments. In hospitals, threadless spouts can introduce an additional risk because if there's a bacteria outbreak or maybe your CFUs counts go up on bacteria, you're not going to be able to attach your first line of defense, which is actually a point-of-use filter. You're going to have to stop, order a spout, or replace the faucet itself before installing the filters. This is a critical time that needs to be minimized. Continuing on with the benefits of a protected spout, not only will it allow you to install a point-of-use filter if your CFU units increase, but you can also install a laminar flow device. The laminar flow device will protect the spout. When the water's off, the water will stay full in the spout, whereas on this spout, at the back end of the spout is where the water will remain when you turn it off. The protected spout will also allow the disinfection to come in contact with a full wall at all times. Whereas this, when you turn it off, the spout will start calcifying by the water air drying inside the spout tube. Here's what happens in an unprotected spout. This is a cutaway of a faucet such as this one. Not only does it start calcifying on the tip because there's nothing protecting it, but it also air dries inside the tube. And you can see where the water is retained at the base of the spout when it's turned off. You can see what happens on the interior of the spout when it comes in contact with air and starts calcifying. This right here becomes your potential food for bacteria. In conclusion, a protected spout offers many benefits. With a laminar flow control device on the tip of the spout, you prevent air from drying the water and calcifying the inside of the tube. You also protect the tube from any contaminants such as splashing of water positioned right over the drain back into the tube, also drain flies. Sink basin water pooling is eliminated. You can also install a point-of-use filter. With these benefits, you ensure a safer environment for your patients and staff. At Water Saver Solutions, we're known as the H2 ROI people. Our fixture care program helps healthcare organizations reduce Legionella risk, protect patients, and ensure ASHRAE 188 compliance, all through proactive, app-driven fixture maintenance.